Hi everybody, thanks so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So today I want to show you how I make my pet mats. I make these with any scraps that I have left over from a project or when I'm trying to make new quilt patterns. I'll sew things together with muslin and some scrap fabric. So I'll take two pieces that are similar sizes and layer them together with a piece of batting in the middle, and that piece here is leftover ends from a strip set unit that I just sewed together. The animals don't care what it looks like, they're just happy to have something to lay on. So I'll take these two pieces. Yeah, they're not the same exact size, doesn't matter. Put a piece of scrap batting in between them. So the way I layer it is I put my batting on the bottom, the top layer right side facing up, and the back layer right side facing down. And I'll sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn. So I've sewn all the way around. This is extra. I want to make sure that I caught both the layers, so I'll trim this off. Put it in the pillowcase for another dog bed or cat bed. And then I'll just flip this right side out. I don't worry about being perfect. The animals are just grateful. They don't care if it's perfect or not. This will be for a small animal. I do make bigger ones. I'll put several projects together and make a big one when I have a nice big scrap of batting to use. Look at the corners a little bit here. Rounded is just fine. Now I'll just tuck this under. Try to get it even best I can. Tuck that extra fabric in there from the opening. And then go sew again. So you can see they're nothing special. They're scrap fabric. And instead of throwing it into the pillowcase for a dog bed, I do that with all my real small pieces. I will make these up whenever I have any leftover decent sized pieces of fabric and batting. And that's it. The shelters could really use them. And more importantly, the animals would love to have one. So I figured I'd show you the pillowcases. You can make a pillowcase with some muslin, or if you have old ones, we get them from dry cleaners. And they always have these in sheets. So it is full of all my scrap fabrics, real small scrap. I have scrap in two places, so I figured I'll empty this in here too. guess it was fuller than I thought. Alright, there we go. Little scraps, tiny scraps, anything. Now some shelters only want them half full, and others will take completely jam-packed pillowcases. Okay, so all I do is fold over the edge and I sew it. Straight stitch all the way across. And sew it shut. And that's it. Nice, soft, thick pet bed made with things that would ordinarily go into our trash. I hope this has inspired you to make pet mats and pet beds with your scrap fabrics, as I've shown you here. The humane societies and pet shelters would be grateful for them, and more importantly, the animals will be warmer and more comfortable. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it for you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.